guys, so today's video is going to be this makeup look right here. It's a chocolate overload fall inspired makeup look. Very much Thanksgiving, very much leaves, very much like you feel me? So I decided to use the Rare Beauty collection by Selena Gomez, and today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this look with this collection. So if you're interested in seeing me beat my face, please just keep on watching. Hi guys, so today's video is going to be get ready with me, and this is going to be a fall inspired makeup look. I got some goodies from Sephora from the Rare Beauty collection by Selena Gomez and decided to share with you guys my little fall beat. I haven't really, if I'm being honest, done my makeup in a while, like seriously, unless it was for like a video. I don't think the last time I did my makeup to go somewhere was in like April. I mean, I just don't see the point with like wearing masks and stuff. Like, why would I waste it if it's gonna be half covered? I did one time do half of my face and put the mask on. I've already cleaned my face, put my chapstick on, prep my skin. So I'm gonna be using the Kiss Matte Vitamin C Primer as well as my Minimizing Pores by Smashbox. I'm also gonna be using my Cha Silk Canvas. I need extra support on my pores just because they are a little bigger. So I'm just gonna apply that really quickly. But y'all, have you heard the new Marky Basie song? I was listening to it earlier. It's called Free Like Me. I'll play a little bit for you. Free just like me, you in my mirror, that's the reflection I see. Okay, can only play so much. I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm applying my primer. Now I'm just going to show you guys the products that I got. So I got 3 products from her brand, and then I got just one other thing. So I ended up spending a total of $68, which I thought was pretty cheap. In most cases, a lot of the celebrity brands be like overpriced, but I think Selena's is actually the one that's the most priced well. I noticed after the fact that the lady that paired me up didn't give me the actual foundation, she gave me the concealers, but when I looked on the website, it's the same consistency. This is just cheaper. So I have 2 concealers. I should have had 1 concealer, 1 foundation, but it's whatever. And I have mine in 430 for my concealer, like under my eyes, and then my color was 450. So these are what the casing looks like. And then I also got the Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Thrilling. I'm excited to try that out. So right now I'm going to go in first with the darker color, which is the 450N, and I'm going to apply this on my face. She applied it for me in the store, and I actually like the way it looked. I really like light coverage buildable foundation. So when you guys open it up, this is what the casing looks like. Super cute. This is definitely the concealer because the foundation is bigger, but I'm actually not mad because I feel like I haven't really worn makeup, like I was telling you guys, all year, really. Unless it was for like a video, I can't count how many times I wore it. Even before COVID started, I wasn't really wearing makeup because I work in an office where you kind of don't have to. I'm trying to get this pump out without splattering. Okay, it didn't splatter. So I'm just going to apply a couple of these dots over my face. I really like this applicator because it makes it easy where you don't have to get yourself messy. Flat foundation brush, and I'm gonna just blend this out. Y'all, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, which is the goal because I want to look as natural as possible. Okay guys, so right off the bat, I'm definitely gonna apply a little bit more around my mouth and my nose. And under my eye as well. I'm like getting dark spots under my eye. And this is just before I apply the concealer. I've been working on my skincare, guys. You should see, I'll probably post my like skincare routine in like a month or so. I had to go to a dermatologist because there's only so much I could do. What I was doing wasn't working, so I need to seek medical help. Just need to make sure like my neck and everything looks the same. God forbid. God forbid you didn't blend your neck. So first impressions, I would say this feels really good. I feel like I don't have anything on my face. I love this so far. Now I'm gonna move on to the concealer. I stayed up late last night, so I'll probably need a lot. You guys can kind of see, like I have like a dark spot kind of forming under my eye I'm not too fond of. But we gonna get it fixed. We gonna get it together because I can't. Right, so this is my shade in the concealer. This is in 430W. I've been trying to do the new concealer trick. So you apply some here. I feel like there's too much on my thing. I'm gonna have to apply it in other areas first. And then you apply some in the corner of your eye. And then I'm just doing some right here just because I need it there. And I think that is it. I'm gonna put some there because that's annoying me. That's how I'm doing my concealer. I'm actually gonna go in with a beauty blender just because I feel like that works better for me. Let me sit back down. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my beauty blender just to blend all of this out. I'm kind of gonna carry it on top of my lid as well.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so all of my concealer is blended in. So I only really bought foundation and concealer from this collection just because I was testing it out. So I'm actually going to be using my trusty Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm just going to apply this under my eyes mostly, just for the creasing. And then I'm also going to go just on the bridge of my nose a little bit. I'm going to let that sit. We're gonna move on to my eyebrows. For my brows, I am using the Benefit Precision brow pencil. Just gonna fill these in real quick. I've been like working on not getting my eyebrows plucked a lot, and they've been slowly growing back. Especially like if you go to the wrong person one time, you're just asking for you to have like no eyebrows. I have a lady now, like an actual like. If she's not there, I literally just leave and come back. If they try to put me with somebody else, I say no, I'll wait extra minutes for her because like the worst thing is getting your eyebrows messed up because now you have to wait double the amount of time for them to grow back. And then because we're not really wearing makeup now because of COVID, you can't really fill them in. And like if I wear makeup, I wear makeup. It's not like a half thing. It's like I either don't wear makeup or wear makeup. It's like I don't fill my eyebrows in if I don't have anything else on my face. And then you kind of just rake it out just a little bit, especially in the front. I don't want it to be too bold. I'm using the NYX Control Freak just to set these. I need to actually get a new one because this is like definitely old. I'm going to be moving on with like contour. So I'm just gonna dust this off lightly. The contour stick I'm going to be using is from Fenty Beauty. This is in the color Espresso. I'm going to lightly put this on around my face just to kind of give me a little bit of dimension so that I don't look like flat. I also use this on my eyes just because it's really pretty. And then I bring it down through my nose. Kind of just create my contour. And then at the end of it, like that. And then don't forget about your jawline. And I sometimes put some under my lip. And to buff that in, I'm going to be using my MAC Swiss Chocolate. And this is actually a powder blush, but I'm going to be using it as a contour. So I apply a little bit of this on and use this to blend the Fenty in. And you want to make sure you carry it to your hairline. Just a very soft, natural bead. Now I'm going to be taking this Japanese Sink brush. It's like a flat kabuki, and I'm just gonna blend my eyeshadow in. Just because we said we were going chocolate. I have like 7 minutes to get this makeup done before I'm late. And then just gonna blend my nose down too. I do guys all this work, and I'm putting a mask on to cover it up. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this gorgeous color by Mary Kay. It's called Hummingbird. I don't think they sell it anymore. I had to get it custom ordered from my salesperson, so if you're trying to find it, I don't know if you can. It's just like such a gorgeous fall and winter color. Very chic. Like I think it goes really well with like my skin tone. Okay guys, and I don't know about you, but I always apply like my eyeshadow on my nose and for like my highlight as well. I'm not the one that does this, can't be. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Trophy Wife by Fenty and just apply this on top of that a little bit just to give it a little bit more definition, just like in the center. Ooh, that's pretty. And then I also want to be using this as my highlight as well. And then I'm gonna blend that out again with this kabuki brush to make sure everything blends out. Just adding a little bit of the highlight to my cheeks. The mascara I'm using is by Ciate. I think that's how you say it. It's the Triple Shot XXL mascara. This is the face. I finished it. I'm now using the Rare Beauty, and this is in Thrilling. I love this casing. This is very chic. This smells really good. I like all of the like applicators and stuff. So, oh, I should have lined my lips first. So I picked up this just random liner from Sephora. It was $5. And this is in Crayon Yuminki. I think that's the color. I don't know, it's a dark brown. On my lips. Line my lips. Now I'm just gonna apply this and we can call it a day. Ooh, y'all, this feels so good. This feels like really creamy. Oh my god, I love this color. This is like perfect for the fall time. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, this is very like fall inspired and I'm here for it. I'm gonna do my hair real quick and I'll be right back. Guys, this pretty much completes the look. Just kind of pin my hair back, and yeah, I'm obsessed with this collection. I thought Selena did a great job. It's very lightweight, like I said. I thought I did a perfect job with matching it. It actually looks like my skin. Obsessed with this little souffle lip, whatever this is called. It doesn't make your lips feel dry at all. It's actually very moisturizing, very matte. Like some of them are matte but drying. This one is not, so I recommend it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Can never be mad at you. Remember being broke, I was eyeing you. Now I have you. But keep it 100, did you have faith when I